Hello my friends and welcome back to the FUTech HD channel. The Liebherr LB28 is a versatile and robust rotary drilling rig known for its ability to perform a wide array of drilling methods, including Kelly drilling, continuous flight auger, CFA, drilling, full displacement drilling, and double rotary drilling. Its design ensures adaptability across various environments and job site conditions. For installing a soldier pile using segmental casing at marquee, the LB28 operates efficiently due to its strong and stable undercarriage, which provides excellent stability and low ground-bearing pressure. The rig's compact upper carriage, with a small swing radius, allows it to work effectively in restricted spaces. The operation begins with positioning the LB28 at the designated drilling spot. The machine's rigid leader, equipped with a rope crowd system, can handle high torque and pull forces, making it ideal for the demanding task of installing soldier piles. The drilling process is initiated using the rotary drive from the BAT series, known for its high torque and optimal operating comfort. During drilling, segmental casings are employed to stabilize the borehole. These casings are inserted progressively as the drilling depth increases, ensuring the borehole remains secure and free from collapse. The LB28's precise and robust casings and drilling tools contribute significantly to the drilling performance, providing excellent control and reducing wear. A backhoe loader is a versatile construction machine that combines three distinct parts: the boom, the dipper, and the bucket. These components work together to perform a wide range of tasks, making the backhoe loader highly efficient in excavating operations. The boom is the arm of the backhoe loader, providing reach and leverage for digging. Attached to the end of the boom is the dipper, which extends the reach further and connects to the bucket. The bucket is the tool used for digging, scooping, and moving materials. The JCB backhoe loader, for example, can dig to depths exceeding 6 meters, similar to a standard tracked excavator, but with added versatility and speed. One of the standout features of the backhoe loader is its ability to travel quickly around a job site, unlike a standard excavator. The bucket linkage offers two pin positions, one for maximum digging power and another for maximum bucket rotation, which is useful for tasks like squaring the end of a trench and ensuring material retention when loading trucks. JCB offers a variety of bucket sizes, from a 230 mm trench bucket to a 1.5 meter grading bucket, catering to different job requirements. Optional hydraulic circuits enable the use of various attachments, such as rock breakers, patch planers, and hydraulic quick hitches. The quick hitch system allows operators to change attachments swiftly and easily. The optional hand tool circuit allows operators to run portable tools, including water submersible pumps and handheld jackhammers. Additionally, the JCB Extra Dig feature includes a sliding 1.2 meter dipper extension, enhancing dig depth, reach, and load over height. The JCB 4CX Super Backhoe Loader is a versatile and powerful machine designed to handle a wide range of tasks in construction, agriculture, and other industries. As the largest backhoe in JCB's range, it boasts numerous features that enhance performance, comfort, safety, and efficiency. With 4 equal-sized tires providing high ground clearance and traction, and 4-wheel steer capability for enhanced maneuverability, the 4CX Super is built to tackle loading operations like no other. At the heart of the 4CX Super is the JCB EcoMax engine, which delivers 109 horsepower and 381 lb-ft of torque at speeds as low as 1,200 revolutions per minute. This engine is designed for fuel efficiency and long-term durability, having been tested for 110,000 hours in 70 different machines across some of the toughest applications. One of the standout features of the EcoMax engine is that it does not require a replaceable diesel particulate filter, DPF, which makes servicing easier and less costly. Additionally, the engine's design minimizes emissions, aligning with modern environmental standards. The drivetrain of the 4CX Super includes the JCB torque lock system, which is standard on all AutoShift models. This system enhances fuel efficiency by up to 25% and reduces road travel time by 10% when paired with the optional 6-speed AutoShift transmission. The inclusion of a limited slip differential further enhances traction and performance while reducing tire wear. This combination of features ensures that the 4CX Super can handle demanding tasks with ease, whether on rough terrain or smooth surfaces. Operator comfort and productivity are key considerations in the design of the 4CX Super. The cab is climate controlled and features a positive pressure system to keep dust and noise at bay. It is rubber mounted and isolated, reducing vibration and ensuring a smooth ride. Inside the cab, 14 air vents provide ample ventilation, creating a comfortable working environment in all weather conditions. The ergonomic design extends to the seat-mounted joystick controls, which offer fingertip control and great comfort. These controls are designed to allow the operator to face the side of the machine while using the excavator end, enhancing visibility and reducing strain. The Return to Dig feature, standard on the 4CX Super, allows operators to quickly reset the bucket to the digging or loading position, further enhancing productivity. Visibility from the operator's seat is another crucial factor in safe and efficient operation. The 4CX Super offers a 360-degree view, allowing the operator to monitor the work area effectively. When excavating, the innovative one-piece, scoop design rear windshield provides an unobstructed view into the trench, ensuring precise and safe operations. The 4CX Super features a variable flow hydraulic pump that delivers high hydraulic flow and pressure at low engine speeds. This design improves fuel economy, reduces carbon emissions, lowers engine wear, and extends refueling intervals. The hydraulic system includes a combined hammer and bidirectional circuit, which provides optimized low flow and high flow hydraulic power with low back pressure, allowing for great attachment versatility. An optional handheld tool circuit adds to the versatility of the 4CX Super by providing a power source for various tools, such as drills, breakers, cutters, and even water pumps. The machine also features a self-leveling loader that automatically adjusts the bucket on both the raise and lower cycles, providing unobstructed front bucket visibility, especially when loading at height. JCB's hydraulic quick hitches make changing attachments quick and safe, enhancing the machine's adaptability to different tasks. The 4CX Super is designed to minimize downtime and maintenance costs. Daily checks are streamlined by JCB's innovative auto check system, which performs 8 under-the-hood checkpoints in less than 3 seconds upon key on, providing a green light to start working or advising if attention is needed. This feature ensures that the machine is always ready for operation with minimal delay. The EcoMax engine's lack of a replaceable DPF eliminates productivity-sapping regeneration processes, making servicing easier and less costly. The multifunction instrument control panel in the cab provides real-time monitoring of efficiency, advising on current and average fuel consumption and highlighting any applicable service faults. This system allows operators to maintain optimal performance and address any issues promptly. The 4CX Super is available in various configurations to suit different needs. The most popular setup includes a 6-speed, 4-speed FR auto-shift transmission with torque lock, 2WS, 4WS capability, and 4WD. The machine is equipped with Michelin Power CL440 ABS R28 tires and a limited slip differential for enhanced traction and performance. The cab features heat and air conditioning, a cloth suspension seat, and seat-mounted easy controls for the excavator end. Other key features of the popular configuration include a 15-foot extending dipper, hammer, bi-directional excavator pipework, a 24-inch excavator bucket with teeth, and a 92-inch Q-fit mount 6-in-1 loader bucket with a toe plate. Safety features include a 3-inch seat belt, exterior mirrors, and an engine block heater. The LiveLink telematics system allows for remote monitoring and management of the machine, ensuring optimal performance and maintenance. Effective teamwork is the cornerstone of successful road paving, particularly when utilizing advanced machinery like the Rollmops RM70 with an automatic paver attachment. Combining the strengths of modern technology and skilled manual labor, this process can be streamlined for efficiency, precision, and quality. Here, we delve into the roles and collaboration between the operator of the Rollmops RM70 and the manual workers aligning the bricks, exploring how they work in harmony to achieve superior results. The Rollmops RM70, a versatile and robust transport machine, plays a pivotal role in modern paving projects. Designed by Gebroeders Geens, this 695 kilograms machine is engineered to support road workers by handling various tasks, from transporting materials to laying paving blocks. Equipped with a 4-wheel drive, the RM70 is capable of navigating both newly laid paving stones and rough terrain, making it an invaluable asset on the construction site. The RM70's standout feature is its automatic paver attachment, which significantly enhances the efficiency of mechanical paving work. The paver can be swiftly configured to handle different types of paving blocks, allowing the operator to grab blocks from the pallet and align them perfectly in the laying area. This hydraulic lifting jib attachment ensures that blocks are placed with precision, reducing manual labor and saving time. The operator of the RM70 must possess a blend of technical skill and situational awareness. Operating the RM70 involves maneuvering it over various terrains, utilizing the hydraulic function to adjust swivel wheels for stability, and controlling the machine's movements with precision through steering levers. This requires not only expertise in handling the machine but also an understanding of the overall paving process to ensure seamless integration with the manual workers. While the RM70 and its automatic paver attachment handle the bulk of the heavy lifting and initial placement of paving blocks, manual workers play a crucial role in the fine-tuning and alignment of these blocks. Their primary responsibilities include ensuring that each block is perfectly aligned, making adjustments as necessary, and maintaining the aesthetic and structural integrity of the paved surface. Manual workers need to be meticulous and detail-oriented. as the quality of the final paved surface largely depends on their ability to make precise adjustments. They must work closely with the ERM-70 operator, communicating effectively to coordinate the placement and alignment of blocks. This collaboration ensures that any issues are promptly addressed and the paving process proceeds smoothly. The synergy between the ERM-70 operator and the manual workers is essential for efficient and high-quality road paving. Here are key aspects of effective teamwork in this context. Clear communication. Constant and clear communication between the ERM-70 operator and manual workers is vital. This ensures that everyone is aware of the progress, any potential issues, and the next steps in the paving process. Coordination and timing. The ERM-70 operator and manual workers must coordinate their efforts to avoid delays and overlaps. For instance, while the ERM-70 places a new set of blocks, manual workers should be ready to align them immediately, ensuring a continuous and efficient workflow. Role clarity and flexibility. Each team member should have a clear understanding of their roles and responsibilities. However, flexibility is also important, as there may be times when manual workers need to assist the ERM-70 operator or vice versa. This adaptability can help address unforeseen challenges and maintain progress. Skill and training. Both the ERM-70 operator and manual workers should be well trained and skilled in their respective tasks. Continuous training and skill development can enhance their efficiency and effectiveness, ensuring that the paving process meets high standards of quality. Safety and awareness. Safety should always be a top priority. The ERM-70 operator and manual workers must be aware of their surroundings and each other's positions to avoid accidents. Implementing safety protocols and conducting regular safety briefings can help mitigate risks. The Vögele Super 3000 is renowned for its impressive capabilities as one of the world's largest road pavers. This machine is designed for large-scale asphalt paving projects, ensuring efficiency and precision. Its operation on the A10 Berliner Ring demonstrates its advanced features and effectiveness in laying asphalt binder and surface layers. Operation and performance. The Vögele Super 3000 was used on a 4.7 kilometers stretch of the A10 Berliner Ring, where it laid asphalt with a paving width of 15.50 meters. This task was completed within 4 days, highlighting the machine's high efficiency and capacity. The key to its performance lies in its ability to pave at a maximum rate of 1,800 tons per hour, with a maximum paving width of 18 meters and a paving thickness of up to 50 centimeters. These specifications set new benchmarks in road construction. Interaction with Montana 3000-2 offset feeder. A critical component of the project was the seamless interaction between the Vögele Super 3000 and the Montana 3000-2 offset feeder. The feeder is responsible for the continuous supply of materials, ensuring the paver operates without interruptions. The smooth coordination between the two machines was facilitated by sophisticated sensor technology, enabling almost fully automatic operation. This technology includes sensors that monitor and adjust the material flow, ensuring consistent paving quality. Automatic steering and control. The Vögele Super 3000 is equipped with a USB sensor for automatic steering, enhancing its precision and ease of operation. This feature allows the paver to maintain a consistent course, which is crucial for achieving a smooth and even asphalt surface. The automatic steering system works in tandem with the machine's other advanced technologies to optimize performance and reduce the need for manual adjustments. Construction project on the A96. In another notable project, the Vögele Super 3000 was deployed for road resurfacing on the A96 near Lindau am Bodensee. The task involved laying both the base and binder layers over a 6.8-kilometer stretch. Traffic was rerouted to the opposite lane to facilitate the construction work. This project required the paver to lay a 12-meter wide layer of asphalt seamlessly, ensuring maximum evenness and pre-compaction. High-performance screed. The Super 3000 was equipped with the new Vögele SP350 rigid screed, known for its basic width of 3.5 meters and its ability to deliver perfect evenness in the transverse direction. This screed features high compaction technology with tamper bars and pressure bars, providing optimal pre-compaction. The hydraulic tamper adjustment allows for easy setting of the tamper height, ensuring the best results for different paving requirements. Continuous material supply. To ensure uninterrupted operation, the Super 3000 was continuously supplied with material by two MT3000 offset feeders. These feeders were themselves supplied by staggered trucks, eliminating any waiting times and ensuring a steady flow of asphalt. This setup enabled the paver to lay up to 4,000 tons of asphalt per day, almost dust-free, highlighting the efficiency and reliability of the Vögele paver and feeder combination. Operator control and comfort. The Vögele Super 3000 features the Ergo Plus 3 operator platform, providing the operator with a clear overview and full control of the machine. This user-friendly interface includes multiple sensors and controls that allow the operator to monitor and adjust the paving process in real time, ensuring high-quality results. The Schmel 11A road marking machine is a highly efficient tool for airless horizontal road marking using quick-drying paints combined with retroreflective glass beads. Renowned as the most popular road marking machine in CIS countries, its compact size and high maneuverability make it ideal for both main roads and city streets. The machine features impressive application speeds. It can lay a single solid line, 15 centimeters wide, 800 grams per square meter, at 10.8 kilometers per hour, a double solid line, 15 centimeters wide, 800 grams per square meter, at 5.5 kilometers per hour, and has a maximum marking speed of 12 kilometers per hour. In working position, its dimensions are 7.9 meters in length, 2.8 meters in width, and 2.9 meters in height, with a gross vehicle weight of 3,500 kilograms. The basic equipment includes a marking block on the left side with two pairs of spray and powder guns, an M12 marking control panel with a mini console, a paint flow sensor, and a digital speedometer in the driver's cab. The unique multifunctional Slipform paver is designed to pave a wide range of monolithic concrete profiles up to 2.0 meters high. It supports both inset and offset paving methods, accommodating concrete surfaces up to 3.5 meters wide, though not all options are compatible simultaneously. Equipped with one or two hydraulic parallelogram swing arms at the front and two hydraulically telescoping crawler units at the rear, the paver offers exceptional flexibility in concrete paving. Its advanced electronic steering and control system enable the machine to navigate tight turning angles, making it highly adaptable to various construction site conditions. For precision, the Slipform paver can be controlled using stringline scanning, worked in Autopilot 2.0 for stringless operation or 3D applications. This versatility ensures accurate and efficient paving, meeting diverse project requirements while maintaining high performance and reliability. The divisible bricklaying machine revolutionizes road construction by efficiently paving surfaces with precision. Available in configurations of 4, 5, and 6 meters, this versatile machine can pave entire roads, including edge finishing, in a single pass. Its adjustable road width feature allows it to accommodate paving widths from 1 meter up to a maximum of 6 meters, making it adaptable to various project requirements. The machine operates by systematically laying bricks or pavers in a predefined pattern, ensuring consistent alignment and spacing. Its advanced design ensures smooth and uniform surface coverage, reducing the need for manual labor and enhancing overall productivity. The machine's edge finishing capability provides clean and precise edges, resulting in professional and aesthetically pleasing road surfaces. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, the bricklaying machine offers increased efficiency, accuracy, and speed compared to traditional methods. Its modular design allows for quick adjustments and easy transportation, making it an ideal solution for both small and large-scale paving projects. The 5700C curb and gutter machine introduced several innovative features to the curb and gutter construction market. This machine was the first in the 5700 series to offer steering with all 3 tracks, the ability to pour using 3D, stringless controls, and the flexibility to slip left or right-handed. One of the key advantages of the 5700C is its compact design, which allows it to maneuver in tight spaces such as parking lot corners, islands, and cul-de-sacs. It can be transported at a legal width, 8 feet 6 inches, 2.59 meters, without requiring a low boy trailer, making it convenient for various job sites. The 5700C features front track steering for simplicity in tight radius turns, while all-crawler steering is available as an option for other applications. This flexibility enhances the machine's usability across different projects. A standout feature is the auger conveyor, a direct drive, high-torque system that moves large volumes of concrete quickly. It can hold a cubic yard, 0.76 cubic meters, of concrete, making it highly efficient for radius and cul-de-sac work. The auger also helps keep the concrete mixed during pouring and keeps the machine cleaner by moving concrete faster and handling various incline angles of the conveyor. The charge hopper positioned in front of the machine allows for easy concrete truck alignment and single-lane pouring. Self-consolidated concrete, SCC, is a highly flowable, non-segregating concrete that spreads into place and fills formwork without the need for mechanical consolidation. This innovative material is specified for both horizontal and vertical applications, making it versatile for various construction needs. In horizontal applications, SCC can be used for slabs, elevated decks, ultra-thin floors commonly utilized in condominium projects, radiant flooring, and repair toppings or overlays.
We try and place it most times as close to the deposit point as possible, but when a situation like this, we have to move it around a little bit.
In vertical applications, it is ideal for walls, new columns, and repairs to existing columns and bridge decks. The Woodstock Outdoor Farm Show featured a live demonstration of SCC, showcasing its unique properties and advantages. This event was an opportunity for industry professionals and attendees to witness the ease of use and efficiency of SCC in real time. The demonstration was organized by the Ready Mixed Concrete Association of Ontario, which highlighted the material's ability to flow and fill intricate formwork without segregation or the need for vibration.
If you were doing this with water again, this concrete would be splashing all over the place. This concrete falls into itself. You can see the little vortex. This concrete will not splash.
One significant aspect of SCC is its potential to enhance the speed and quality of construction projects. The material's flowability reduces labor and time required for placement, leading to faster project completion and potentially lower overall costs. This is particularly beneficial for large-scale projects where traditional concrete might pose challenges in terms of labor intensity and extended timelines.
Okay, I'm going to give somebody else the mic for a second.
To assist developers, designers, contractors, or anyone purchasing concrete for substantial projects, the Ready Mixed Concrete Association of Ontario has introduced a new online calculator. This tool helps users determine when SCC is more cost-effective than conventional concrete. By inputting specific project details, users can compare costs and benefits, enabling informed decision-making and optimal material selection.